Welcome to a realm where architecture transcends shelter and becomes an experience. This modern masterpiece stands as a sentinel of luxury in the heart of Ayala Alabang, a multi-level sanctuary where every line is deliberate and every material tells a story of legacy. Step into your private botanical retreat. The landscape is a living canvas, meticulously curated to provide a lush green buffer from the world outside. Walking these grounds feels like wandering through a hidden resort, where the rustle of tropical leaves is the only soundtrack to your morning. Prepare to be moved. As the massive slatted wood doors swing open, you are greeted by a grand foyer that breathes. The double-height ceilings act as a cathedral for natural light, anchored by a magnificent backlit onyx feature wall that glows with the warmth of a captured sunset. This is the heart of the home, a symphony of stone, glass, and solid Narra wood. Outside, the transition is seamless. Your private swimming pool and integrated jacuzzi are framed by a vertical garden, creating an oasis that rivals the world's most exclusive spas. Imagine the reflection of the evening sky on this water as you host a gathering that will be talked about for years. For the culinary visionary, this showcase kitchen is your gallery. Outfitted with primary professional-grade appliances and wrapped in designer finishes, it is a space where a quick breakfast feels like a celebration, and a multi-course dinner becomes a performance. Ascend the grand staircase, where LED accents trace the path of solid Narra underfoot. If you prefer, let the multi-passenger elevator whisk you between floors. Every level of this 1,500 square meter floor area offers a new perspective on craftsmanship. The private quarters are temples of tranquility. With 10 expansive bedrooms and bathrooms featuring premium fixtures by Toto and Kohler, every family member finds their own sanctuary. The master bath, with its freestanding tub and marble cladding, is a masterclass in quiet opulence. Reach for the sky on the expansive roof deck. With views stretching across the lush canopy of Alabang toward the horizon, it is the ultimate vantage point for reflecting on a life well lived. Whether it's a morning espresso at your private coffee bar or a late-night vintage in the entertainment room, this home anticipates your every desire. It is a structure built not just for the present, but as a multi-generational legacy. Notice the interplay of textures, the rugged stone against the polished marble, the organic warmth of the wood against the crisp lines of the glass. Every corner is a testament to the fact that true luxury is found in the details. This is more than a residence. It is a 1,500 square meter private sanctuary designed for grand gatherings and quiet retreats alike. A 10-car garage, all-around CCTV, solar power, and dedicated staff quarters ensure that while the lifestyle is grand, the peace of mind is absolute. You aren't just buying a home, you are claiming a masterpiece. For more information and to schedule a private and discreet VIP viewing for this home, you may get in touch with us via our contact details in the description. Go to our channel for full-length educational and data-driven videos on Southern Metro Manila real estate. Visit our website for a list of various curated properties in the South. Email us if you would like to buy, sell, or lease properties. Till then, we'll see you in the South.